Good day, everyone. We are the Group 3, and we are here to present our created system, which is the currency converter. First, let us introduce ourselves one by one. My name is Kobe Palmenko.
And Luis Gilustre.
I'm Clyde Dylan Obangit.
I'm Clarence Yumali.
So, before we delve deep into our system, first let's have the system description. So, the currency converter program is a Python-based application designed to assist users in converting amounts between different currencies with convenience. This program offers a simple yet effective command line interface, making it accessible for users to perform conversions without the need for complex tools or prior technical knowledge. So the situation is, in today's connected world, handling money in different currencies is often necessary. Whether you're traveling, shopping online, or working on international deals, having a simple and reliable currency converter is very helpful. This program makes it easy by using up-to-date exchange rates so you would always get the latest information. So think about planning a trip or even buying something from another country. If you're stuck figuring out conversions by hand or using old rates, it can quickly become frustrating and lead to mistakes. So this program solves that problem. It's easy to use, gives quick and accurate currency conversions, and even lets you add your own custom rates if needed. By this, we can save time, avoid errors, and help us make better money decisions so that we can live stress free. So let's move on to our flowchart.
So good afternoon everyone, I'm Simon M. Frias. So now we will proceed in the sequence of our flowchart. So this flowchart outlines the core structure of the program, including here the user interactions and decision making. So here are the key components that were included in flowchart. So first, to start up the program, initializes and sets up the menu options, while the menu is the function that do presents the options to the users, such as listing currencies, custom exchange rate, or conversion. And custom exchange rate allows the user to define or update the exchange rates manually. Then the conversion will enables the user to perform a currency conversion based on input and exchange rates. So our program uses decision loops, definitely use while loops, break, and etc. that to maintain execute our program. And so here's the flowchart that we made, the sequence of our flowchart with regards on our main program. That's all.
And for our code, this program is a currency converter that allows users to convert between predefined currencies, add custom exchange rates, and exit the program when finished. Input validation ensures that only valid numbers and selections are accepted if the input is not accepted by the program. A proper message will print. The program includes a feature for adding custom exchange rates where users can input a new currency name and its equivalent value to USD. The program validates this input to ensure it is a positive number before appending it to the existing list. These functionalities are executed in a continuous loop until the user selects the option to exit. By structuring the program into functions such as menu, custom exchange rates, list of currencies, and conversion, the code is organized, modular, and easy to understand. It uses basic Python features like list, loops, conditional statements, and input validation, making it functional and user-friendly.
So, let's break down the problem analysis for our currency converter program. The goal is to create a currency converter program where users can 1. Convert between currencies, 2. Add custom exchange rate for currencies, and 3. Exit the program. And also make it functional and user-friendly, focusing on three areas: inputs, process, and output. Next month. Next mo, Ken.
Right. For inputs, user needs to provide the source and target currencies, selected by index and the amount to convert. Cos- For custom exchange rate, user inputs the currency name and its value in USD. These inputs are essential, so they need validation to avoid errors.
Exactly. The program checks that currency indexes are valid and amounts are positive. When adding custom rates, it ensures the name and value are formatted correctly. Proper validation prevents occurs. Hindi, meron pa kami pre. Tagal kasi magsalita eh. Yan.
The process is simple. The menu offers three options: convert currency, add custom exchange rate, or exit. It looks until the user exits. Currency conversion uses the formula converted amount divide value of from currency x value of to currency, ensuring accuracy.
For custom exchange rates, once validated, the program adds the currency to the list and updates its value, allowing it to grow as users add new currencies.
Lastly, the output. The program provides clear feedback with welcome message, list of available currencies, successful operation confirmation, and format conversion result. It also shows errors message when needed to guide users.
In summary, the inputs, processes, and outputs work together to ensure accuracy and a smooth user experience. Next.
To conclude our system presentation, this program is a highly versatile and dependable tool for anyone managing currency conversions. Whether you're like mentioned earlier, traveling, shopping online, or handling international transactions, it's designed to meet a wide range of needs with ease and precision. What sets this program apart is not just its accuracy, but also its user-friendly design and flexibility. By simplifying the entire process, the program allows users to focus on their priorities instead of getting stressed out by complicated math or outdated exchange rates. Its real-time updates ensure you always have access to the most current financial data, while its customizable options make it adaptable for unique situations. So essentially, this program takes the hassle out of currency management, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to save time, reduce errors, and confidently handle financial decisions. It's more than just a converter, it's a practical solution for navigating the challenges of an interconnected global economy. So that's all for our system presentation. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, everyone.